So for you to escape poverty, there are some lucrative assets that you need to invest in, especially real estate assets. And this whole property is up for sale and it is located here in Jahi. This is the kind of property that when you buy, you just sit and watch your money grow. It is a service apartment. It has 4 units of two bedroom upstairs, and it has 1 unit of 1 bedroom on the ground floor. So without any much talk, why don't we go in and see how the property looks like? Yeah, let's go. Yes. Okay guys, so this is the 1 bedroom that is on the ground floor, as you can see. And what is also on the ground floor is your office space and the reception area. So why don't we take a look at the reception area that is on the ground floor, then we see how the 2 bedroom looks like. Yeah, so still on the ground floor you have your reception area, and this is how it looks like. So believe me when I tell you that when you buy this building, it is ready for business. So you have your reception area here, you have your waiting area on this side, you have your screen to keep your guests entertained and occupied. There is a working desk and your workstation for your staff ready for you to move. And this is the store on this side. You have an extra store here, nice and clean. You have your bathroom for your guests, just in case, nice and clean. Everything is set, guys. A sound system, a refrigerator for drinks for your staffs. Yes, and on this side is the chairman's office. And just before you enter, there is a bathroom. Yes, for the chairman. And also this is the working space. You have a nice TV and everything available, right? So let's go to the other side. So this is the kitchen on this side, fully furnished. You have your cooker and your refrigerator, then you have a deep freezer. Everything is set. There are dishes and pan available. Just pack your bag and just move in, that's all. Let's see, this is the laundry area on this side. This is the laundry area, is locked. So you are ready to start cleaning. You have your washing machine that is set for you. You have your duvets. There is an iron. So whenever you want to clean up, this is all set. There is a bucket, everything is all set. Then on this side, this is the measure control room, guys. So whenever you want to monitor anything that is going on in the premises and in the building, this is your control room. So you have your screen, there is your Wi-Fi all set, all the gadgets are all set. So this is it, guys, on the ground floor. Pretty much what is on the ground floor. Why don't we go up to see how the 2 bedroom unit look like? Yeah, let's go. Yes, guys, so welcome to the 2 bedroom unit on this property. So for the sake of time, let me just show you these 2 units. This unit of 2 bedroom that will cover for everything else. The remaining 3 units are all the same. All right now, guys, so that's the kitchen, and let's look at the bedroom. This is one of the two bedrooms. Very beautiful, very nice. It's fully furnished. It has the balcony on the side, your mirror stand and all. So guys, this is the property. As you can see, we're taking a tour around the property, and it's fully furnished, ready for business. So if you are an investor and you're in Nigeria or in Nigeria, you're looking for when to build generational wealth, this is the best investment that you can make to build generational wealth. And this property is only going for 1.6 million naira asking price. 1.6 million naira, and you're able to get this property. All the paperwork for this property is fully ready. So feel free to reach out to us on the contact on the screen and be sure to get the best deals possible. So